In this video, we will look at how to create a level structure in DataSource. The first step is to log into DataSource using your user ID and password. Then, click the Account tab. The Edit Level Structure tab displays by default. From here, click the Edit Level Structure button. Next, click the Create a Level button. You are required to name the level. Type an appropriate name in the new level name field. After naming the level, click Submit to save the changes. You can click Cancel if you wish to leave the Edit Level Structure unlocked. That's how you would create a level.